Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. The mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. So then the kind I will show you a video. Remember, if you subscribe, now I share, now I like, no me notification bell. So the video to our Sabeka. Never say chocolate cheesecake. You use 1 cup all purpose flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 1.5 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder. Now we're mixing it together. With the 1 egg then alcohol. Now the 1/3 cup milk then alcohol, 1 teaspoon vanilla, half teaspoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons sunflower oil. Now we're beating it together. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also write a comment below. It's here the web area no. Now I wash your where the grease baking pie. If you are not there, what you see chain into where then you half cup heavy cream where then what beat. We are now the 3 tablespoons powdered sugar. Now then, with the room little at a time, no for fire then, a 2 bit cacao. We are now then, what the 100 gram mascarpone cream cheese, and also for fire then, we are now the 2 tablespoons melted chocolate then, alcohol, then also wire the walk or swire the EBT. So then the kind I will share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When the notification bell, share the video. Yeah, better where there was a better. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new video we will post. Until I have reunited them with the see the and chain. No I then walk cold cake in the soul. See the cake, you know. Now I then wait to chat. Another hot air then, we cake time. How do cream near then? Eguso. Another kosher freezer for 2 hours. It's here the way we half cup milk the egu. Now the 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder. Now why then waka the after we another kosi jaso. Now why the waka. I been no way there. What do no manaju kakra? We are no kwakwa hwe egwe there wo cake ni so. Another kosher freezer for 1 hour. It's after 1 hour. No way you know why then what serve it. So we are now there. What do we chocolate there? There with fruits there. Add the creative so by your optional or power fine yet. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we post. In fact, chocolate cheesecake cake here, the pan. Now this our chocolate cheesecake. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.